Welcome to the video. Today, I want to review the help section in the Midjourney website. So this is a place where you can go to find more information, and it's just right here. So it's got the little question mark, says help. If you click that, you're going to come to this help area, and there's 6 areas here I just want to briefly review. But before we get into that, there's a place here where you can report an issue that maybe you're having with Midjourney, and so they can correct that. There's also information here about server status for how the performance of Midjourney is working. And there's a community chat here where you can type in a question or something and get some help. So let's start off with these 6 different areas right here. The first one is getting started. I really like this area. A lot of people are coming into Midjourney and they've got questions. Midjourney is really an intuitive program, but sometimes it's got so many things that you can do, you're just not quite sure about how to do it. This is an excellent place to go. There's lots of good information. It's really simple to kind of understand. They show you with videos, and there's some links here if you want more information about it. And so you can just scroll through here and you can see exactly what's going on. Then it's got all this other information right here if you want to get more in depth. Right next is video tutorials. So Midjourney has got some videos that they've made that are on Vimeo, and they're just really on auto run, right? So here's the first one, and then you've got more underneath it, right? So it really kind of shows you different aspects about Midjourney, and this is coming from Midjourney, not folks like me. So this is exactly how they think you should be using the tool in tips and tricks and that kind of stuff. So you might want to check that out. Next is documentation. If you want to learn more about something, this is a really great place to use because they've got a search feature right here. So if you're not sure about, let's, I don't know, aspect ratio, you can just type that in, and then it'll give you a whole bunch of information about aspect ratios and what you can do. And if you want to learn more, it jumps right to the section about how to use it and how to write the prompt and all bunch of stuff, right? And so that's an easy way to find that, just in-depth documentation. Also, they got a couple chat rooms you might want to check out. Now, you can go here to the chat room feature. It's also in help. It goes to the same destination. So this is one where you're helping with prompts. There's a chat room right here that you can write whatever your question, or if you want to help somebody else out, that's great. Here, they're making a paper airplane with vegetable drawings on it. That's kind of interesting. Dogs, all types of stuff, girls, birthday, whatever. So if you're not really used to Midjourney and you want to kind of play around and have maybe the community help you a little bit, try it out here and then put your ask questions, and then maybe you'll get some of the help that you need, right? And then next is the Create with Newcomers chat room, which is also here under chat. So here's a place where newbies are, and we say that affectionately, are using the tool. And so here's where, people in here aren't like pros at using Midjourney. So if you don't want to feel embarrassed or awkward or have some anxiety, maybe this is where you can do some stuff. And then you can see what people are working on. And what I really like about this area is, you can click and you can see what the prompts they're using. You can see what's going on. If you wanted to try it yourself, it's real easy to do that. You just hit prompt and it fills out the whole prompt for you, and you can hit go. And then you can see right up here, we're going to be making this illustration, and it's just that easy to understand and learn about how to do stuff, and you'll get the results yourself. And then lastly, we've got billing support. So if you've got any questions about how Midjourney runs with payments or your subscription or support, this is an excellent place to go. They've got articles, they've got a Q&A here with frequently asked questions. And so this is a really good place to find those answers about anything to do with your account. So anyway, so thank you for watching the video. Appreciate you. If you've got any questions, we would love to help you. Also, we would love it if you would consider subscribing to the Midjourney Experience newsletter. This is a newsletter that's designed for professional creatives. And it's a weekly newsletter that goes right to your inbox with tips and tricks and a lot of different information just for you to learn how to use Midjourney better with professional creative images. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys soon. See you.